Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now, which is create 2 employee agents. And also we are providing solution for Agentblazer Legend series in our channel. Do check that. I'll provide that playlist link in description. And now once if you click on launch, go to Agentforce agents, and if you scroll up you will find the new agent, so just click on it. And now click on this Agentforce employee agent followed by next, and click on this added. We don't want this to be added, and now click on next. Let's go back to our challenge and fill all these things. So which is given here as general agent. So let me fill all these and come back. So make sure to complete all these things. Now click on next followed by create, and now click on new followed by add from asset library. So here search for general, add general CRM, and then search for record, choose this single record summary, and then now click on finish. And now let's go back to topic. So here choose general CRM, and you will find the new version button. Just click on it and followed by save, and again click on general CRM and go to this topic section. If you scroll down you will find this agent action called answer questions with knowledge. Just click drop down and followed by remove from topic. Once done, there will be small refresh button in this conversation preview. Just click on that and let's go back and copy this tell me about edge communication and paste it over there in chat, followed by enter. So this will come up with all the answers, and now we will have to create one more agent. As of now, let's activate this and go back. Click on activate, ignore and activate, and then click on back followed by leave. And now we are going to create one more agent. For that, click on new agent again after going back. Choose Agentforce employee agent followed by next. Leave this, click on next, and now fill in all these details. So yeah, we are done. So now previously we didn't check this checkbox, now we have to check this, followed by next, followed by create, and now click on new, add from asset library, type manage and choose this manage deals followed by finish. And now click on refresh again next to conversation preview, and if you scroll down you will find one prompt. Let's copy this and give it over here followed by enter. So once done, click on activate, ignore and activate, and yeah, this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our second challenge as well. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. The remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.